Creative indoor garden design ideas for urban living. In an era where urban living often limits our connection with nature, the concept of an indoor garden has emerged as a beacon of hope for green enthusiasts and home decor aficionados alike. Indoor gardening not only enhances our living spaces but also promotes green living, allowing us to cultivate a serene oasis within the confines of our homes. Here are some innovative garden design ideas to inspire your indoor landscaping journey. Vertical gardens, a living wall of green. For those with limited floor space, vertical gardens are an exceptional solution. By utilizing wall-mounted planters or trellises, you can create a stunning wall of greenery that serves as both a focal point and a piece of living art. This approach not only maximizes your small space gardening efforts, but also brings an element of freshness and vibrancy to your home decor. Choose a mix of indoor plants that thrive in indirect light, such as ferns and pothos, to achieve a lush, layered effect. Terrarium's miniature ecosystems. Terrariums are a delightful way to bring a slice of nature indoors, especially for urban gardening enthusiasts. These glass containers can house a variety of houseplants, creating miniature ecosystems that are visually captivating. They require minimal maintenance and can be customized to reflect your personal style. Arrange them on a coffee table or a bookshelf, allowing the plant decor to enhance the overall aesthetic of your indoor space. Multi-purpose plant stands. Incorporating multi-purpose plant stands into your indoor garden design can elevate the functionality and appeal of your living area. These stands can serve as decorative elements while providing ample room for various indoor plants. Opt for stands with varying heights to create a dynamic display, showcasing the textures and colors of your houseplants. This not only optimizes your space but also encourages a harmonious flow within your home decor. Indoor herb gardens, culinary delights at home. Transform your kitchen into a green haven with an indoor herb garden. Not only does this garden design idea add a burst of greenery to your cooking space, but it also provides fresh herbs for your culinary creations. Use small pots or hanging planters to grow basil, mint, and rosemary, making your urban gardening endeavor both practical and aesthetically pleasing. This approach to indoor landscaping not only beautifies your kitchen, but also encourages a lifestyle centered around green living. Statement plant displays. Embrace the power of a few statement plants to make a bold impact in your indoor garden. Large leafy varieties such as monstera or fiddle leaf fig can become stunning focal points in any room. Strategically place these plants in corners or near windows to allow them to thrive while enhancing your home decor. Pair them with smaller indoor plants or decorative planters to create a cohesive look that celebrates the beauty of nature indoors. Creating an indoor garden is an enriching endeavor that enhances not only the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also your overall well-being. By incorporating these innovative garden design ideas into your living space, you can cultivate a sanctuary of greenery that reflects your unique style and commitment to green living. Whether through vertical gardens, terrariums, or culinary herb gardens, the possibilities for indoor landscaping are endless, making it easy to embrace the beauty of nature, even in the heart of the city.